Hello and welcome to another Ganbaride unboxing of Ganbaride S2 Wizard 2. Got 3 boxes here, and here are the extras, oops, so that can go in the back. And zoom out a little bit, these do work in this machine, so S1, S2 works there, so we'll scan some of those cards and see what we get. Don't be too excited though, because when I scanned the S1 cards there were quite a lot of sounds and not there. So quick look at the box. It is very nicely designed, I think. It stands out from the rest of the Ganbaride cards. S1 and S2 have a really distinct look to the box. Quick look on the top. There just says Ganbaride S2 or Wizard 2. On the back there it says there are 58 cards in total, 26 normal, 16 rare, 12 super rare, and 4 legend rare. There are no more special cards or yellow cards in since S1. Quick look on the side of the boxes. There you got clients, Guga Titan, Wizard Landform, Kabuto, and Deno Gun form. And of course, if you are in Hong Kong, I think these are also produced for Taiwan as well, be sure to keep the little icon / token on the back. Cut that out. Currently in Hong Kong, you can cut that out and go on DanielandCo.com and print out the sheet. It doesn't have to be in color, just print it out. Daniel and Co. And then click on the CARDD icon in the products listing, and you should be able to get this. Just pull the JPEG down and print it out. 15 packs, so one box has 15. So I bought 3 boxes because there are 3 cards to give away. These are 3 completely golden cards on one side. Some insane dumbass has spiked the price up to about 700 Hong Kong dollars, like £70, £50 for one of these cards. So you can give them the middle finger by doing it this way. And currently in Toys R Us, if you have a member's card, if you spend 350 Hong Kong dollars, it gives you $50 off right away. So I got 3 of these, which cost 580, so it took $50 off and turned into 530. I had 5 vouchers because I've got the Toys R Us card. If you spend enough money, you get vouchers. You spend $100, you get 10 off. So that was still 530, so I got another $50 off. So total, I got $100 off this, so it was 480. But at Toys R Us right now in Hong Kong, before the Monday's the last day, so if you spend $350, you get $40 voucher, and if you spend $600, you get $600, you get $80 voucher that you can spend in September. So you know, you can do that, get a huge discount of all these Ganbaride cards. And Toys R Us, while everything costs more than everyone else, Ganbaride card is the same price as everyone else. So this is actually the cheapest way to get them. But unfortunately, the Toys R Us in Central didn't have the free bonus card, and I think the staff was new there and didn't know what's going on, so that's kind of annoying. I'm not getting the TS-008 card then. Annoying. I will be using the voucher on some Minions Mega Blocks, I hope, and see how that goes. So we start with 002, so obviously 001 will be a legend rare, 002 is a 3-star. So 3 stars have the gold side, but just a metallic inside part. So Wizard, here's a quick look at the back of these newer versions. They don't have the whole DK design anymore. Oops, that was number 3. So another Dragon Form Big, Hurricane Dragon. This one's a pretty neat looking card. This is a 4-star, you can see there's more gold in the middle. Yep. And we got the bike, which is only a 3-star, but they've gone with a gold sort of metallic foil, so it makes it look like a 4-star card. Just Wizard, Rider Kick, Wizard. It's just all the main Wizard forms. And then finally, next 4-star card, we have a client, forgot his name, oopsies. I'll find out when I scan it in. Hey, you say water type apparently. There's him again. Cougar Rider Kick, yeah. There's actually quite a few Rider Kick cards in this set, so I think they go nicely to the Agito Riders. I mean, this is G3, but this is the Agito Rider. Yuki, Vice card. This looks awesome. Another Rider Kick card. Another Rider Kick card. So they are going through most of the Heisei series riders. All 4 Blade riders right there. Hibiki, Kabuto, only 1 Kabuto card. Deno, another gold card because it's Deno, so it's 4 stars there. Many Denos. Kiva. DK is holding the blade, so they really like blade in this one. They got all 4 blade riders, and they have him doing the little blade slash. A double card, another rider kick. Joker, this is cool. I swear I've seen these before. I mean, I'm pretty sure these are repackaged cards. I'm pretty sure a lot of these are, but they're just done in a slightly different style. O's. Forze. Riderman. X. Stronger. Skyrider. Super 1. 3-star. Z-Cross. And the set O. So that's all of them. The design of this pack of cards is quite nice. I like it more than S1. I think a lot of if they were to go with a rider kick with every single Heisei rider at least, or maybe some of the Showa riders, I think that'd be really nice. Like, you know, like how they did the Cougar rider kick. If they had more of this kind of design card to make it sort of uniform, sort of here's like, you know, 15 or 20 something rider card kick cards, I think that'd be neat. So yep, so get your free cards and mail it to Daniel Cohen stuff, and we're gonna look at this machine. So I think S2 does look pretty neat. Ouchide Ganbaride, Ganbaride. 勝ち抜きかメモリーライダースカンだ決定ライダーの情報を教えるとヒーローカードをスキャンしてくれ So we got the dragon form here おっともう一度スピードでスキャンしてくれ仮面ライダーリザードフレイムドラゴンヒーローカードを Guys, just to demonstrate, here's the second Flame Dragon card we have here. So we're going to skip all of those. I'm going to go with Hurricane Dragon. Let's try the bike. Water. Land. No, hurricane. Land. I didn't have any of those sounds, so let's go with him. Oh, Linge, that was it. Lingo. So, I think these ones aren't gonna work. No, that was not Land Dragon. Boy. Let's go Cougar. Nope. Maybe this one? So the remaining cards don't actually work in there, so only the wizard cards work in here, and the Lingo turns out to be wizard, I guess. further demonstrating how crap this one is compared to the Force one. So yeah, there you go. Pick up these cards if you like the design of them. I think they look pretty nice, and further demonstrating how crap this machine is. Pick up the Force one. That's way better if you can get 001 and 002 sets. I think that's the Force stuff. You know, 1 and 2 of the Force line. If you've enjoyed this video and want to have a look at other Ganbaride cards, you can feel free to check out those videos on my YouTube page. I've done quite a few videos of those, as well as reviews of both the Ganbaride home machines of Force and Wizard. The Force one's pretty neat, but the Wizard one kinda sucks. And if you like Kamen Rider, I've done a lot of reviews on SH Figuarts, Candy Toys, Soft Vinyl, and other DX and complete selection modification Deca driver reviews, so you can check those out as well. If you want to support this channel even further so I can make even more videos and perhaps make it without job, please, you can check out this Patreon page and support me there, or simply just click the like, subscribe, and comment below. And most importantly, take care and have a nice day. Henshin!